Good morning dear students, welcome to the maths online class. Students, in previous class we solved some examples on the what addition of the two digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping, and today's topic is about 2.7 addition stories. Okay, here they given one stories. In that only they given the what addends, both addends, and we have to find that addends and write the what addition sentence, then also write the what sum for the addition operation. Okay, so I already told that addition, it implies the in the addition stories some specific words are there that represent the what addition stories. That means all together, in all, how many in all. Okay, these are the words represent the what addition stories. First read the story carefully and write the addends, pick the addends in that. So write the addition sentence and find the sum for that. Okay, so here in your textbook page number 27, do read these story problems, find how many in all. Okay, here I written only the answer for that. Okay, for in your class work, first write the question, then write the answer. Okay, first write the eighth one is there. First you have to write the question, that is in your textbook page number 27. Then write the eighth one answer. Like that only write B, C, D, question and answer. Okay. So see, first one, Jenny watered 34 rose plants and 45 sunflower plants. How many plants did Jenny water altogether? Here Jenny watered first rose plants. Okay. Then sunflower plants. Here the 34 and 45 are the what? Two different addends. 34 is the first addend and 45 is the second addend. We have to write with respect to their addition sentence. See, here Jenny watered first rose plants. So rose plants. How many rose plants are there? 34 rose plants are there. So write with respect to their position 34. Okay. Then she watered next to sunflower plants. How many sunflower plants? 45. She watered only two flowers, two plants. So here only two addends are there. Okay. Then what's the next sentence? How many plants did Jenny water altogether? Here they given the altogether word. So it implies it is the representation of the addition story. So altogether means addition here. Okay. Then we have to find the total flowers. See, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we have to write, lastly we have to write the word conclusion for that. Jenny watered dash plants 79. Jenny watered 79 plants altogether. This is the word conclusion for the given addition story. Then next one, B one. See here, first you have to write the question. Anita bought 42 white flowers and 54 pink flowers. How many flowers did she buy in all? See, here Anita bought two different flowers, two different colored flowers that are white and pink. We have to write separately for that. Write the word addends. Here white flowers and the pink flowers is the addition sentence. How many white flowers she bought? 42. With respect to question only we have to write that one. Next 54 pink flowers. In front of pink flowers 54. Then the last sentence is how many flowers did she buy in all? Okay. Here the last word implies it is the what addition story problem. Which word? In all. So all flowers. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So lastly we have to write the word conclusion for that. So Anita bought dash flowers in all. How many flowers she bought in all? 96. Okay. Then see the sixth one. Amir planted 19 seeds. Then he planted 36 more seeds. How many seeds did he plant in all? At first time he planted 19 seeds. Then next time he planted 36 more seeds. So how many seeds did he plant in all? In all is the word representation of the addition story problem. So Amir planted seed at first time. Okay. At first time. So he planted how many seeds? 19. Okay, here we have tried planted seeds at first time. Next, first time 19 seeds and the second time 36 more. Okay, so second item is a 36. We have to, in all is there, we have to add the addition symbol, then calculate the addition. 9 plus 6 is equal to how much? Calculate. Very good, 15. In 15, it's a 2-digit number, so regroup the number. In 15, write 5 here, 1 is the carrying. Then next one, tens position, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, 55 is the what? Total seeds Amit planted. Okay, so here we have to write the conclusion. Amit planted total how many? 55 seeds in all. Then the next one and the last one, that is, at a park, Anand saw 27 dragonflies and 14 bees. How many insects did he see altogether? At a park, here the Anand saw first dragonflies and the bees. Okay, two different insects. So we have to write the addends of the insect, that are numbers of the insects. First one, he saw the dragonflies. How many dragonflies are there? 27. Then next he saw the bees. How many bees are there? 14. So here addition symbol, then add the number. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Then next one, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So total insects. Anand saw at garden how many insects? 41 insects in all. Okay. This is about the what? Addition story problems. In that addition story problems, they only given the what? Addends. We have to write with respect to their addition sentence and find the what? Solution or the sum for that. In next class we discuss more things about the what? Addition stories only. And today's homework is same as classwork one time. In classwork, don't directly write the answer. First write the question with using your textbook and write the with respect to their answers. Thank you.